students of class 12. I am Prabha and I am going to teach you class 12 business study chapter 1 nature and significance of management. In my previous class I have already explained you about concept of management and objectives of management. Today I am going to explain you about importance and function of management. First of all, I am going to explain importance of management. Students, what are the importance of management in a business organization? First importance is management helps in achieving group goals. Management helps in achieving group goals. As you know that management is always associated with organization and individual too. Organization is made up of group of peoples. As management is a group activity, it helps in achieving group goals. It brings the human and non-human resources together and gives a common direction to effort of all individuals toward achieving the organizational goals. This is the first importance of management, that management helps in achieving group goals. The second importance is management increases efficiency. Students, you know that what is efficiency. In my previous class, I have already discussed about efficiency. Efficiency means minimize the cost. That is called efficiency, and management increases efficiency of an organization. Management increases efficiency, it means it helps in reducing the cost and increasing productivity. The third importance of management is management creates a dynamic organization. An organization operates in a changing environment. All of you know that business environment is not static. It is always dynamic. And we people always resist the changes. This is the human nature. So employees are also generally resist to changes. Management helps people to adapt these changes. So student, now you can understand how management create a dynamic organization. The next importance of management is management helps in achieving personal objectives. As you know that objectives of management, there is 3 types of objectives of management: organizational objectives, social objectives and personal objectives. And management helps in achieving personal objectives. A manager motivates and leads his team in such a manner that individuals members are able to achieve their personal goals while working towards organizational objectives. And the next importance of management is management helps in development of society. Students, management also help in development of society. Management helps in development of society by giving due importance to social obligation and to provide good quality product and services and to provide employment opportunities of peoples of society. In this way, we can say that in development of society. And all these are importance of management. And I think now you are able to understand why management is important for any organization. The next topic is function of management. Students, there are 5 functions of management. The first is planning, second is organizing, third is staffing, fourth is directing, and fifth and last function of management is controlling. Now, what is function of management? Management is a dynamic and continuous process which consists several interrelated elements. These elements of the management process are known as function of management. Students, management consists several interrelated functions. That means all the functions of management are interrelated, and these interrelated functions are called management function. The first function of management is planning. What is planning? Deciding in advance what to do, when to do, where to do it, how to do it, and who is to do it is known as planning. Means in definition of planning, we can see that planning is always made in advance. This is the first function of management. The second function of management is organizing. What is organizing? After making a plan, the next step of function of management is to bring together manpower and material resources required for carrying out the plan is known as organizing. That means in second function of management, we manage or we bring together manpower and material resources for performing a particular function. This is called organizing. The third function of management is staffing. What is staffing? The next step after organizing is staffing, which is concerned with human resources. Staffing set the right man for the right job. That means appointment of right man for the right job is called staffing. It has become an important function due to increasing size of business. That means success or failure of an organization is also depend on the staffs who are functioning in that organization. The next function of management is directing. What is directing? Implementation of plan, which means moving into action of a plan, is known as directing. It means in directing, a direction is given to employee or worker that how to perform the particular work. It involves continuous interaction between managers and their subordinates. That means कि direction is always given by managers to their subordinates. And the last function of management is controlling. Controlling is the process that guides activity towards some predetermined goals. It involves observing what is being done, what way it is being done, to what extent it is deviating from the desired result, and taking correcting decision is called controlling. It means we can say that controlling is the last function of management, and in controlling Our managers check the quality of product or services which is produced as predetermined goals or not. And now students, I think you are able to understand the importance of management and function of management. The remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next class. Okay, thank you students.